Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites done fast. Install Visual Studio Code and Git, then set your global Git user. Name and user. Email. Once done, open the project folder in VS Code so the editor maps your workspace. Make sure autosave is enabled and configure file associations for common extensions so files open with correct language mode. This lets you edit, track changes, and run extensions immediately. It prevents mismatched syntax, highlighting, and streamlines the next steps. Next, you install and configure essential extensions. ESLint and Prettier for JS, Live Server for quick previews, plus your language pack like Python. Once installed, open Settings. JSON and set format on Save, linting rules, and Editor. Tab size so code stays consistent. Then configure the integrated terminal, create tasks. JSON for build or compile steps, and add a debugger launch configuration. These middle steps ensure your workflow runs inside VS Code. Finally, run and debug your code. Use the Run button or terminal, set breakpoints, and step through variables in the debug view. Once stable, commit with git add, commit, push, or use the source control pane to stage changes quickly. If things go wrong, open the Output and Problems panels to spot errors. Make sure the correct interpreter or runtime is selected. If persistent, try disabling or reinstalling an extension, or reset workspace settings to isolate the issue and restore a working environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.